Hey everyone, if you are here, you have to make subscribe and you have to share to your friend. I'm called by Ghana. Today we are going to discuss about mathematics. Mathematics unity called the problem on set. Problem on set. Before starting, we are going to review of union, intersection and the complement of set. Example. Given the following set A, B, C, D, E, F, and E, the set B is A, B, C, H, and I. Then find the A intersection B, A union B. About number 2, the given A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B is 2, 4, 6, and set C is 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Then answer the question below. A. List set A and B. Write down number of set A and C. A intersection B and D. Set A union B union C. Okay. Answer of number 1. Given set A, number 1, set A is A, B, C, D, E, and F. Where set B is A, B, C, H, and I. Then find A intersection B. A intersection B, it means that the element of set A and the set B were intersect. It means that set A and the set B are intersect. It means that A is intersected with B, A, B, and C, where other are not intersect of them. A union B. A union B is all set A and B without any repeated of it. It means that it means this repeated element is not you don't write again. You write only one. It means that A, B, C, D, E, F, H, and I. This is A union B. About number 2. About set number 2. Given A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Then B is 2, 4, 6, and set C is 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay. Then find set A intersection B. Remember that how to find the A intersection B. A and B is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, is only 2 and 4. B. A, the set number of A. The set N of A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means that the set A is the number of set A, you count the element in set A. It is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means that the element in set A is 5. About C, A and B. A intersection B. This is the element of A and B are intersect. The element of A and B intersect? No. This is union. And this one is union. The A union B, it means that is all element of A and B without repeated. It means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. About D, A union B union C. This is equal to all element A, B, and C without repeating. It means that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 9. Then this is the answer about that. Then let us continue about the Venn diagram. Venn diagram involving 3 sets. Sorry, this is, let us start before getting Venn diagram. Let's continue about involving Venn diagram involved in 2 sets. About in 2 sets, it is that number of set A union set B. It means that is the number of set A positive number of set B. This is how to find union of. But it means that when you count the element in set A, it means that you negate number of set A inter B. It means that you count the number of element in set A and the number of element in set B, but you negate or negative A intersection of B. Example, show marks out of 15 scored by number of seriously students in groups C and D, where the Venn diagram is like this one, C and D, where is 80, 5, 10, 6, 7, 9, 12, 3, 2, 4, 13, and 11. Then determine total number of senior 3 students in C and D group. It is that show marks out of 15 scored by number senior 3 students in group C and D. The score in C is 8, 5, 10, 7, 6, 9, and 12. And this 3 in D, 2, 4, 13, 11 in group D. Then determine total number of senior 3 students in C and D. Remember that to find the total, it is that number of students C union D is the number of C positive number of D, but negate number of C and D. It is that we are going to count the number of C. 1, 2, 3. Is 3. Then is 1, 2 is 3. But you add 1, 2, 3, 4. Positive 4. Then positive number of D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But add this set of 1, 2, 3, 4 is 4. Then negative number of C and D. Intersection of C and D. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means that is 7 positive 9 then negative 4. This is equal to, this is 16 negative 4 is 12. Okay. This is the number of students scored in group C and D. It means that this is the how to find the number of total. Let us continue about the next number 2. Number 2, a survey involving 120 people about their infant breakfast showed that 55 drink milk tea breakfast, where 40 drink juice tea breakfast, and 25 drink both milk and juice at breakfast. Then at breakfast, then find A. Represent information on Venn diagram. B. Calculate number of people who take milk only, where I number of people who take neither milk nor juice. Neither milk nor juice. Number 2, in class of 20 peoples, then 12 take hats and 10 take chemistry. Then a number that take no one is a half for the number that take both. Then A. Represent information on Venn diagram. B. Use Venn diagram to determine number of take both and no one. Let us correct those problems. Answer. Number 1. Number 1. A survey involving 120 people about their preferred breakfast showed that 55 drink milk at breakfast, 40 drink juice at breakfast, and 25 drink both milk and juice at breakfast. Then represent information on Venn diagram. B. Calculate number of people who take milk only and the number of people who take neither milk nor juice. Number 2. In a class of 20 people, 12 take arts or study arts and 10 take chemistry. Where number that take no one is half, is 1/2 and only study arts or chemistry. Then represent formation on Venn diagram. B. Use Venn diagram to determine number of number take both or no one. Number 1. Let us represent the information. First, the set number is 100. 100 people. Then the number of milk is 55 and the number of juice is 40. Then remember that 25 take above. Let us represent on the Venn diagram. On the Venn diagram. This is N. Milk equal to 55. This is N of juice equal to 40. And all set is 120. Then we are going to start intersection. 25 drink both milk and juice. 25. But the people who take breakfast of milk only is unknown. Another is the people who take juice only is unknown. Remember that there are people who take neither milk nor juice. It means that is unknown again. Okay. Let us this is B, where this is A. B is number of people who take milk only. To find milk only is this whole set of milk equal to this one. It means that x positive 25 equal to 55. This is equal to 55 and negative 25 equal to 30. The people who take juice only is 30. Then we are going to, before find neither take milk nor juice, first let us continue by finding only people take only juice. Where 25 positive y as people take only juice equal to 40. It means that y equal to 40 negative 25. This is equal to 15. To find the people who take no one any drink between milk and juice is we find that we are going to find the total of this one then equal to 120. It means that we take x, we take as 30, positive 25, positive y is 15, then positive z is people who neither take milk nor juice equal to 120. It means that Z will be equal to, you can find or calculate the how the Z equal. It means that Z will be equal to 50, because you add this one, this is 30 positive 25 is 55, then 15 is 70. It means that is 120 negative 7 equal to 50. Those are the people neither take juice nor milk is equal to 50. Let us continue about next. Number 2. In class of 20 pupils, 12 take arts and 10 take chemistry. See, number of that take no one is a half. The number that take both, then represent information on Venn diagram. B. Use Venn diagram to determine number of take A, both, and D, no one. The offset, number 2. Offset is 20 pupils, and the number of art is 12. Number of chemistry is 10. Then we are going to represent information on the Venn diagram. Venn diagram. The number, remember that in class of 20 people take at 10, number of that no one is a half. It means that how to find intersection of that Venn diagram. Then to find any intersection is unknown. Is not found. Remember that the number of art is 12 and the number of C or chemistry is 10. Then to find the pupils take only art is 12, then negative x, and this side is 10 negative x. Remember that the half of pupils they take no one is 1 half of unknown take any lesson. It means that the set of all is 20. Because to the negation of this one is because this is unknown, but is negated from art, and this one is the same. Okay, let us continue about B. Use Venn diagram to determine both is this one. It means that we have to make a total of this one. It means that 12 negative x, positive 10 negative x, positive 1 over 2x equal to 20. This is simplified. 12 and D is 22 negative x, positive 1 over 2x, then equal to 20. So negative x positive 1 over 2x equal to, then 22 equal to 20, then x, this is x, this is x simplified by 22 negative 20 then equal to x negative 1 over 2 x. This is 2 equal to, one common denominator is 2x then negative 4x. It is that easy. X 2 equal to x. It is that x is equal to 2. 22 negative 20 equal to x negative. It means that is 2 equal to 2 x negative x then over 2. This is equal to, make cross product is 4 then equal to x. It means that x is equal to 4. B, use the Venn diagram to represent number of both. Number of both is equal to 4 because x is equal to 4 where intersection of A and C are is x. It means that the pupils take both are 4. But I to take no one is 1 over 2 x. This is equal to 1 over 2 then power times 4. This is 2. The pupils take all. No one of C between C and A is only 2. Let us continue about Venn diagram. Venn diagram involving 3 sets. Example. The student in senior 3 classes did sets on their name regarding whether they contained letter B, C, and D. The following Venn diagram shows result of further in terms of numbers of name in each category. About example, the student in CS3 did set on their name regarding whether they contain letter B, C, and D. The following Venn diagram shows the result of survey in terms of number of names in each category, where the set C is 10, 10, 2, 6, set B 1, 10, 2, 2, and set D is 9, 2, 2, 6, where our set number is 40. Use the Venn diagram to determine number of student names that contain in A or letter B, letter D, C, letter B and D, but not C, D, no, only 2 letters, E is total number of students. Answer. Answer, it is that the all letter, is all letter is all letter is the all letter intersected is all letter intersected B, C, and D is 2. B. Letter D. Letter D. D is this one. Letter D is 9, positive 6, positive 4, positive 4. Is 9, positive 2, positive 2, positive 6. This is equal to 19. C. Letter B and D, but not C. B and D, but not C is 2. Is 2. D. Only 2 letter. Only 2 letter. It means that 2 letter is 2, 10, and 6 is 10 positive, 6 positive 2. This is equal to 18. E. About the total number. Total number, it means that number of B union C union D is equal to number of B positive number of C positive number of D, but negative number of B intersection C, A, B and C, B and C is 10, then negative positive B and D, N, B and D, then positive N, C and D, but all positive NC and D and B. It's equal to number of B. Number of B is 10, 14, 15. Positive ND is this one, 9, 13, 19. Positive NC 10, 16, 20, 16, 28. Then negative B and C. B and C is 10. Positive B and D is B and D is 2, positive 6, then positive 2. This is equal to 15, 19 is where N, B and C 12, 4, 80 and 2. Is that this is 62, then negative. This is equal to 24, then positive 2. This is equal to 40 students. This is the total number of students is 40. Thank you for watching my lesson. Then if you are new here, you have to make subscribe and share to your friend in order to share as information or skills. Thank you. See you.